In this new video, we will insert a sound file that will serve as background sound for our map. So in HTML, after the body tag, so we create an audio tag with the ID background-music and autoplay loop. And then we need to add the source of the audio file. Let me go to desktop and to this folder, sounds, and the sound file we are going to use is this one, background-sound. So back to HTML, we just need to add the source of this file. In this case will be first the folder sounds and then background-sound.mp3. Then we need to add the type, so the type will be audio. And then MPEG. After this part, I will then insert a way to turn on and off the sound. So we just need to create some elements in HTML right here at the bottom of the HTML page. So we need to create a div with the class toggle-container. Inside this div, a span with the ID music-label, and we can call it background music, for example. After this, we add a toggle button, so another div after the span. We need to create a toggle switch, and we can add the ID music-toggle, for example. We can go to CSS now and add styles to the toggle container first. So the position will be fixed, bottom 20 pixels, left 20 pixels as well, display flex, align items center, gap 10 pixels and z-index 1000. Let's now add styles to the toggle switch. So the position will be fixed as well. Bottom 50 pixels, left 350, width 60 and height 30. Background color 333, border radius 15 pixels, cursor pointer, and transition background color 0.3 seconds, z-index 1000. Let's now repeat the process for toggle switch once again, but this time we need to add content and leave it empty. Position this time will be absolute, top 2 pixels, left 2 pixels as well. Width 26, height 26, background color white, border radius 50%, and transition will be transform 0.3 seconds. Now we need to add styles to when the toggle switch is on. So background color, this green we are using already. Then toggle switch on before. We want transform translate 30 pixels for the X. We already can see that the toggle is there. Then music label, we need to adjust the position so it stays on top of the icon. So position fixed, bottom 90, left 350, width 60 pixels, text align justified, font size 12 pixels, and font weight bold. If we go to the map, we can see that we already have this button here. So every time we click on it, the the circle needs to be adjusted, and the music stays on and off accordingly. So now we just need to add a JavaScript code. This code will add a background music functionality to a web page. So first he listens for the page to fully load, and then he initializes the background music. When the page loads, it finds the audio element with the ID background-music, sets its volume to 50%, and then ensure it's paused. Then additionally, the script adds an event listener to an element with the ID music-toggle, which is a button, or in this case, a switch that we already predefined. When this element is clicked, the script toggles the CSS class on to track whether the music should play or stop. If the music toggle element has the on class after being clicked, the script plays the audio. Otherwise, it pauses the audio and resets its playback time to the beginning. Now, if we go to the map, we can test the button and see if that works. So whenever the button is green, the music starts, and then when it's gray, the music automatically stops, as we can see on the screen. Thus, we have completed all the steps for creating the map, with only a demonstration remaining on how it can be shared online so that everyone can see it. So, stay tuned for the final episode of this series.